Hi everyone, sorry for my voice. I got really bad cold and long time no see. Happy New Year. I was gonna wait until my voice is coming back fully and I fully healed, but I can't wait to open this lucky bag 2023/2024. It's been delivered over a week and it's just sitting on my vanity and I'm just curious to see what's inside, so I just wanted to open it with you. So I'm gonna just cut the chase. The details about the lucky bag from Beautylish is gonna be in the description, but let's get straight into it. I got the XL size, extra large one every year, and at least I try to. So let's see what's in my lucky bag this year. I was pretty lucky last year, so I was so happy about that. And this year, I can't wait to open a lot of things. So let's see. All right, the first one is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream Light and Lightweight Miracle Moisturizer. So this is a SPF 20. I haven't tried their new skincare line yet. So I still have my old Magic Cream, but it's not light one. It's original Magic Creams. So I'm excited to try this one. Next one is Good Molecules, Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I guess I tried a couple, maybe 2 bottles of this one before. And with this big one, let's see what's in here. Ooh, DANESSA MYRICKS Beauty Groundwork Defining Neutrals. Groundwork is all the neutral mattes in here for eyes, brows, face and lips and everything you can use. So the packaging is gorgeous. Look at this. And hopefully nothing broken inside. Good, everything is intact. So, ooh, I'm excited about this one. And let's see. And I think the hair scrunchie from probably Kitsch. Scrunchies, like it's very like fluffy scrunchies. And this one is, it must be Mop Beauty one. Yeah, Mop Beauty's RePurpose Capsule, lip capsules. So it must be the inside of the lipstick. Ooh, okay, so there's got to be something in here to fill this one up. Let's open another one. R+CO Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub and Shampoo. I have their couple of products and I love it, so I'm gonna try this one soon. And HINDASH's, it must be Heroline. I already love this one. I already have his eyeliner. And I love that one. Let's see. This one is NATASHA DENONA Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter, and which I do not have. Now let me see, open this one. Ooh, there's a shift to it. That's so pretty. NATASHA DENONA. And what else? This must be the bullet, like what is it called? Refill. So lipstick refill, and I don't know which color is M62. That must be this red color. I'm gonna open this one and put it in the case. And Wayne Goss's Essential Lip Pencil. Which color is it? Cinnamon. So his lip pencil, I do have a couple of them. And I don't think I have a cinnamon one, but it must be really pretty, like brick red, probably. Let's see. Ooh, okay, I like that one. I love these colors, and I love their formulation too. So pretty. Alrighty, oops. And I think that's it. One more brush. SONIA G's, what brush is this one? Crease M size brush. So crease brush is always needed. So thank you. And I love Sonia's brushes. I think that's it. So I'm gonna tally up and everything and show you the total, but I'm pretty happy. No surprises, but I think I got decent box for this year as well. If you guys got their lucky bag this year, what was the most excited about? Let me know what you got. I'll see you with better voice, much better voice next time. Talk to you soon, guys. Be safe and be healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.